Hi guys, I've been asked to do this demonstration. We're using just simple motor oil, and we're using our Absorbal, and we're comparing it against well, this in particular is the Vulcan product, but it's very similar to products like your mineral sponge and your zeolite type absorbents. So for this experiment, or for this demonstration, we're going to use 1 cup of motor oil, just a small cup, and we'll do the same on each. And then we'll use this is the Vulcan, but it's very similar to the mineral sponge. So we'll just put that one on first and just spread it around onto the spill, giving that a little bit of time to soak in. And then we'll use the Absorbal. And people have been asking me, should I pay a few extra dollars to use the Absorbal? And this demonstration will clearly show the Absorbal's superior ability to pick up this oil. So we'll start with the the Vulcan product, which again is very similar to the mineral sponge out there from New Zealand. It's a zeolite based product, and it does pick up the spill. It takes a little while. It picks up the spill okay. However, no matter how much I work this, because of the granular size here, there's a residue that's been left behind, and you can see this Vulcan product now is completely saturated from that oil. And no matter how much I work, you can see the actual product is full of this oil, and the residue that's left behind, it's not really picking up. Okay, now if we go to the Absorbal, you can see that Absorbal's clump that up, and you can see that it actually produces clumps, which makes it easier for it to pick up. And you can see how much quicker it's worked. That's almost picked up all of that oil, and you can see if I just move that aside, there's so much more Absorbal left here to pick up the spill. And the other huge benefit with Absorbal is it takes the whole spill away. There's no need to come back and clean up. Here you're going to have to come back with hopefully with some Absorbal, but maybe a bucket and broom to clean this residue up. Here the Absorbal is taking the whole spill away. And again, I want to point out that there's so much Absorbal that hasn't been used here, where we're looking at this zeolite mineral sponge or this zeolite Vulcan product completely saturated using the same amount. So this is why the Absorbal works so much better, and this is why I encourage my customers to pay that extra to get the better product.